Today we got a box.
We don't know what's in it. Just be careful.
Huh?
Be careful. We don't know what's all in this. It could be something breakable. We don't know.
Right about that.
We don't know.
I'm very destructive. I put my hands on things, but hey, I'm excited.
I'm excited too. It just came in. Like literally. Just came in.
So we're doing an exclusive video just for y'all to see
what's in this box.
But I know some exclusive products in here, so let's open it. You wanna be?
Go ahead.
You sure?
You
positive?
Positive.
Oh yeah, I like opening things.
See, no, give it back. Give it back. That's okay. I got it.
What you mean? I just opened it.
You doing the most. Look, what you cutting on? Hold on, let me hear. All right. Ain't got time.
Look, I already did all that.
Knock them sides. You little.
Yeah. Oh, it's our. Oh, is this cold?
Probably.
Can't get this thing open. Let me see them scissors. Yeah. There we go. Made in the USA. Oh, this is our business stuff. Uh-oh.
Hey.
So cold. Why is it so
It
cold?
must be something. It's something in here that probably go in the refrigerator.
Okay.
Then.
This is just our business thing.
Let me see. Oh, okay. This is probably the instructions and stuff like
All
that.
the instructions and everything. Instructions, pamphlet, books.
Yes.
Let me get up a little closer so y'all can see. Get a little closer. Okay, we starting our little. I already know what we're doing. It says cut here. It's like a red ribbon event.
Okay. Wait, here, let's take it out.
Take it out.
Yeah. This down. More. Okay.
So
Oh, cut here.
and that's you, Eli. Cut the red ribbon. Don't mind if I do. Yay! Alright, now how you open it now?
Oh, whoa. This is big.
It really is big.
Let's show them how it looks.
Give me that one. Let's keep this one.
Oh, let me get up. Oh wow, it's our samples.
Oh. So we have
A sample of some laundry detergent.
laundry detergent. Then we have
Some wipes.
multi-purpose wipes, all natural wipes.
And then the #1 makeup industry in the country.
Like she said, #1 makeup industry
Ooh.
in the country, all natural. Beauty.
I don't know
Back to the
what.
next product.
That's part of it too.
This is part of it too, but this is
That's the lip gloss.
light up lip gloss. Light up lip gloss, baby.
Okay, and one more from that is the skincare. Ooh, Renewal Peel. So I guess you can put on your face and peel.
So
it
this
off.
like a mask, right?
Most likely, yeah.
So we got the Renewal Peel, like a mask, put on your face, all natural. So I'm kind of need some of this. Stay tuned. Stay tuned.
Oh, I remember these mugs. We had this when we was at the
At the conference?
Yeah, and I chewed it.
Oh, why would you chew it?
I don't know. I don't know. I really don't know. I thought it was like candy or a mint or something.
Focus pills. Energizing pills. Very exclusive. Do not chew.
Please don't chew.
Somebody back here chewed them, and it wasn't.
Hey, it was bad. It tasted like those Flintstone vitamins you take when you was a kid. That's what that was. Okay, and then we have a bar. Oh yes, I'm taking some of these to school.
Hey, these
got
go.
the bars. Oh, these the ones you were talking about?
Yes.
Bars? Okay.
Sports protein bars.
Which flavor is that?
Exclusive. This is a chocolate peanut butter flavor. Has 20 grams of protein, gluten free. For all y'all gluten free people out there like eating gluten free stuff, hit us up. Hey, this is good for you.
I'm gonna do that one.
This one?
Yeah, I'm gonna take this one.
Then we have a chocolate berry blast. That's new. That's very new. Build lean muscle for all your athletes out there. Me too. Hey, this is good for you. Re-energize and rehydrate and recharge. All in one.
Here we go. And then these are the multivitamins.
Multivitamins. Also gluten free. 22 vitamins and minerals.
We need to get on them looks ASAP.
Yeah. I mean, we have we have some more products, right?
Yeah.
Hold on. My bad. I was trying to speed up the process. Hold on.
What? Oh. Okay, and then we have the to-go thing to put in your water.
So like the
Them Kool-Aid singles, like
Kool-Aid
that,
singles.
but
Okay, but these are
much healthy version.
Most healthy version. It's a push of immune system too as well. So very healthy. Everything in this box is all natural ingredients.
Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and warn you before we like literally open this to drink it. We need to be careful because this is what you shook up.
Oh, for real?
Yes. I mean, you can open it out the box. Once tomorrow we'll open up the can.
This the last thing?
Yeah, I mean it's all these little baggies. Okay, to give samples. So okay, yeah.
So this is the last thing in the box. I don't know why I'm shaking.
Which is the number one. That's our favorite thing.
This is the favorite thing. Oh my gosh, I love these things. I take this. I drank these at the conference. I had my mentor gave me one before my my soccer practice and before I work out. I was focused. Came in clutch. I was tired. I was still up trying to get that grind. You feel me? So excess energy.
Let's see the flavors.
See the flavors?
Yeah. Okay. It's my favorite flavor.
First flavor we have is Wild Berry Blast.
It's my favorite.
Second flavor we have is Electric Energy. What? I said that wrong. My bad. Correction. Electro. Wait, what?
Electric Lemon Blast.
Oh, my bad. Electric Lemon Blast. Say it right. Then we have root beer. Ooh.
That one pretty good too. Until I fell in love
Oh, hey, this is the best. This is my favorite one actually. I like root beer. Let's see on this side. We have the Blackberry Cola Blast for y'all your Coca-Cola drinkers, but like energy. Boom boom.
with all the acid.
Then we had the Citrus Blast. Bang bang. Well, we had some technical difficulties. The battery died on the camera, but we're back now. So I'm gonna finish up with the flavors that we have. We got 3 more. So now we got the Tropical Blast.
I like that too. That's my second pick.
Second, boom boom. Then we have the Cranberry Grape Blast for y'all cranberry drinkers.
I haven't tried that one yet.
I haven't tried this one either. The last but not least, whoa.
I haven't tried that one either. I ain't even seen nobody with that
I haven't
one.
seen this one.
What is that called?
I don't know. How do you say that?
Tamarindo.
Tamarindo?
I don't know, no. I don't even know what kind of flavor that is.
Hey,
so.
tamarindo. Is that the only one in there?
Yeah, we're gonna have to try that one ourselves.
We're gonna try this one ourselves. And we'll let y'all know how it tastes. But Tamarindo Blast. Boom. There you go. So that's all the flavors that we have for those energy drinks. Like I said, they're very useful to get you through the day. Like, man, hey.
Yeah, they're real good. And even though they're sugar free, they don't even taste like it. And it'll get you pumped and hyped up, like for real. Like I'm about to take one on my way to school. My bad. Go ahead. I'm just excited.
Huh? You gonna take one on your way to school?
Yeah.
Awesome.
Probably take one. We got more than one. Cause this is my baby right there.
That's your baby. Hey,
I have to order some. We just have to order some more specifically because I want those flavors. But yeah.
But like I said, they help you focus too in school. Those energy
pills.
Pass me those right here. Got them hands. Anyway, actually they
dietary supplements.
Dietary supplements too.
Everything over here is really,
huh?
Everything is healthy. Everything is geared towards sports nutrition, health and wellness. Like, cause you know that's the field we're in. So this stuff really come clutch for us. He can't even keep it in his hands.
These are good. Like I was saying, these are good for you before a test or if you need to focus in class, especially for college people. So
midterm and finals, hit us up. No, this way. Okay.
But that's what's in our special exclusive box. You got anything to say?
No, that's pretty much it. This is everything. Well, a few samples of some of the stuff that we have on our website. That's pretty much it.
Website. Our website gonna be in the description below. Stay tuned to our vlogs because we are gonna use these products to show you how special they would be. Like, look at my face. Like, oh my god. Oh.
You'll see the progress.
You'll see the progress. I mean, that's all I have to say about our exclusive product that's in the box. So stay tuned, look out, stay exclusive. I already know what it is. And stay up. Grind mode.
EK out, baby.
Shoot, let's go ahead and try this drink real quick. Let's go ahead and try it. I can't tell the flavor.
Let me see.
Can't tell the flavor. It tastes good though. I ain't gonna lie to you. It's not like a cherry. It's like a
I get what you mean.
It's like a blueberry. It's like all the berries put together. That's what it tastes like. And the aftertaste on it is like lifts up your
taste buds.
Taste buds. Like I can't explain.
I don't know. I can't explain it. It's not a specific flavor. Dang, don't drink it up. That's the one we got. That one now.